Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to our channel. In this video, in pair of straight lines chapter, it is in the coordinate geometry, we are going to discuss shortcut formula to find circumcenter when pair of straight lines and one line is given. One pair of straight lines represent two sides of the triangle and a given line is third side. So it forms a triangle. How to calculate the circumcenter when pair of straight lines and a line is given? That I am going to discuss in this question by using shortcut formula. See here, if x square plus 3xy plus 2y square equal to 0 represents two sides of a triangle and third side is x minus y plus 6 equal to 0, then its circumcenter is. These are the options. See here, the pair of lines generally represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. It represents pair of lines passing through the origin. The figure will come like this. And the given line x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. That line is lx plus my plus n is equal to 0. This is the line. So here we got one triangle now. This area, for this triangle, circumcenter we are going to calculate. O, A, B. For triangle OAB, circumcenter, how to calculate? Circumcenter generally denoted by S. X coordinate, y coordinate. First, how to remember easy way. N by 2q and keep bracket in x. Even here also n by 2q into keep bracket. In this bracket, what we have to write? That I am going to tell. 2hm, 2hm, 2hm. Are you able to understand? 2h into m plus L into the difference of A and B, A minus B. 2H into M plus L into A minus B. In this bracket, what we have to write is, in place of M, L we have to replace, in place of L, M we have to replace, and here keep minus. So here 2HL, clearly I will write it. 2HL minus M into A minus B. Sir, what about Q value? Q nowhere it will be there. That I am going to write. Where Q is equal to, in the area of triangle formed by this pair of line and line, with the denominator is there, no? That value is called Q. AL square minus 2HLM, AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. This is the value of Q. Now, the given pair of lines comparing with this equation, given line comparing with this equation, and calculate these values, substitute in that. Generally means the given pair of lines, find the factors, lines calculate and solve that equations, getting the points and substitute in the and find out the circumcenter means again SA is equal to SB equal to SC. That concept we need to apply. Instead of that, we are applying this formula. First, find out the values of A, H, B. This equation, given pair of lines x square plus 3xy plus 2y square equal to 0. A is equal to 1, 2h is equal to 3. Therefore, h is equal to 3 by 2 clearly. So, B is equal to 2. We got the values. Just I will make a mark like this, easy to find. Next, x minus y plus 6 equal to 0. X minus y plus 6 equal to 0. Compare with Lx plus my plus n. L is equal to 1. M is equal to minus 1. N is equal to 6. Now first calculate Qn better. Q equal to AL square minus 2HLM plus BL square now. A value is 1 into L square 1. So ultimately it is 1. 2H 3 minus 3 into L value 1, M value minus 1 plus BL square, B value 2, L square 1. So minus into minus is plus. 1 plus 3 plus 2 which is equal to 6. Therefore Q value we got it as 6. Q we got it. Next, directly you can say N value is there. No? So circumcenter S is equal to N by 2Q. N value is what? 6 by 2 into Q. Q means 6 into 2HM. 2H means 3. M value is minus 1 plus L. L value is 1 into A minus B. So A minus B means 1 minus 2 minus 1. Next, 6 by 2 into 6, N by 2 cube, 2HL, bracket start, 2H means 3, L value is 1, minus M value minus 1, A minus B, again minus 1, which is equal to, 6 get cancelled, 1 by 2, minus 3 minus 1, minus 4, comma, 6 gets cancelled, 1 by 2, 3 minus 1. Why? Because plus minus into minus plus, plus into minus is minus. So dividing by 2 means minus 2, 2 2s are 1. So therefore the circumcenter S is equal to minus 2 and 1, which is there in the second option. This is the shortcut formula, dear students. You have to remember circumcenter. You have to remember. One more question in a pair of straight lines. By using shortcut formula, I will discuss. The next question. Two sides of a triangle are along the pair of straight lines represented by 9x square plus 9xy minus 10y square. If its centroid is minus 1 comma 2, then its area is. This is the question. So pair of straight lines is given. Pair of straight lines is the combination of two lines. By observing the pair of lines which are passing through the origin. So two lines we have to draw. So these are the pair of lines. These two lines are the two sides of the triangle and the centroid will be here somewhere, alpha comma beta. Then whose area? This area they are asking. This area of triangle. Oh, some line anyway, it will be there, third side, it will be this area. How to calculate? When we know the pair of lines, this combination of lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. The pair of lines, these two sides, this side as well as this side. And alpha beta is the centroid. Then the area delta is equal to, formula we are writing. So centroid and pair of straight lines is given. That pair of straight lines also two sides of the triangle. Then the area, required area is equal to delta equal to 9 by 4 mod. In place of x comma y, this alpha beta substitute. A alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square divided by square root of h square minus ab. This is the formula, square units. This is the shortcut formula to get the area of triangle when we know the two sides of the triangle and the centroid of the triangle. You have to remember, dear students, this is a shortcut formula. Now I am going to apply this formula in this. So given pair of lines 9x square plus 9xy minus 10y square is equal to 0, and alpha comma beta is equal to minus 1 comma 2. So alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 2. This equation compared with ax square plus 2hx square plus by square. A is equal to 9, 2h is equal to 9, b equal to minus 10. So h is equal to 9 by 2 only, no? So now the required area delta is equal to 9 by 4 into mod. The meaning of a alpha square plus 2h alpha beta plus b beta square is wherever x comma y is there, alpha beta substitute. So 9 alpha square, that alpha value is what? Minus 1 whole square, plus 9 into alpha beta minus 1 into 2 plus b beta square minus 10 into, in place of y beta, that is 2 square, whole divided by h square minus ab. H square means 9 by 2 whole square, 81 by 4, minus ab, 9 into minus 10, so plus 90. 9 by 4 mod minus 9 minus 18 minus 40. So 1 minute more here. A value alpha beta value minus 1 now 2hxy. So minus 18. So here it is a minus 2h alpha beta. So here it will become plus. Sorry, 1 minute. This is correct only. Here I forgot. This one is minus only. Divided by root over LCM 4, 81 plus 360. 360 and 81. 441. 4 you can take outside, 2 will come now. So 9 into 2 by 4. Anyway here minus 49. Why? Because minus 18 plus 9 is minus 9 by root 441. Root 441 is equal to 21 whole square it will be. So how means 441 like this you can. So 2 2's. So again so 21. 9 1s are 9 2s are 9 by 2. Mod 49 is 49 by 22. 21. 2 1s are, sorry, there is no divisible no for 2. 3 7s, so 7 7s are 7 3s are. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 21 by 2, that is equal to 10.5 square units. So the answer is 10.5 square units which is there in the fourth option. So once again, dear students, here 9 by 4 plus 9 minus 18 is minus 9 minus 40 minus 49. 360 plus 81 441, it is perfect square of 21 square. Here also I wrote that procedure how it will be. Next 9 by 2, here the denominator it will become numerator. 9 into 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Next here 7 3s are 7 9s are, 3 3 1s are 3 3s are. 3 into 7 21 by 2. So 10.5. This is the shortcut formula. You remember it's a plus only, it is, I forgot. So the area of triangle, when two sides of the triangle is given, the two sides are pair of right lines and the centroid alpha comma beta, then this is the formula to calculate the area of triangle. Thank you dear student. I hope everyone understand. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will help you in my free channel. Thank you all.